Hi Slaters, welcome back to maths class. In today's class, let us solve the problems from exercise 7.3. Let's start. Now, problem number 6. Parshit read 25 pages of a storybook containing 100 pages. Lalita read 2/5 of the same storybook. Who read less? Give reason. Okay, Varshit read 25 pages out of 100 pages. 25 out of 100 pages. Lalita read 2/5 of the book. Okay, 2/5 of the book. Now we need to compare who read less. So we need to give the reason also. So let's simplify. Now the part of book read by Varshit. How much? That is 25 out of 100. So 25 by 100. The part of the book read by Varshit is 25 out of 100. So what we can do here, we can cancel, right? 5 fives, 25. 5 twos, 10, 0. Same way, 5 ones, 5 fours. So what is the fraction of the book he read? That is 1 by 4. The part of the book read by Varshit is 1 by 4. Same way, the part of the book read by Lalita. How much they have given? 2 by 5. Now we need to compare these two fractions and check who read less. So to compare two fractions, what are these two fractions? These two are unlike fractions. You can see the denominator, they are different. These two are unlike fractions. So we can make them as like fractions and then compare. So what is LCM of 4 comma 5? What is the LCM of 4 comma 5? Yes, 4 into 5, that's nothing but 20. LCM is how much? 20. So let us make both denominators as 20. So 1 by 4, to get denominator 20, what should be multiplied? Yes, we need to multiply with 5 to both numerator and denominator so that we get denominator 20. So what it becomes? 5 ones 5 by 4 fives 20. So this is 5 by 20, which is equivalent fraction of 1 by 4. Same way, second fraction, that is 2 by 5. Okay, so 2 by 5. Now tell me what should be multiplied to get 20 in the denominator? Yes, we need to multiply with 4. Same way to the numerator. So how much? 2 fours, 8 by 5 fours, 20. Now both are like fractions. So 5 by 20, 8 by 20. Now can we compare both? Yes, when denominators are same, we need to compare the numerator. So what we can say? Therefore we can say 5 by 20 is less than 8 by 20. So 5 by 20 is less than 8 by 20. So 5 by 20 is the part read by Varshit. So who read less? So therefore Varshit read less. So this is the answer. Clear everyone? So this is the answer. Okay. Next problem. Write these fractions approximately. Write these fractions appropriately as additions or subtractions. We need to write these into fractions, and we need to write whether it is addition or subtraction using this pictorial representation. Okay, now let's simplify. See, first one, here this rectangle is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts, and one part out of 5 it is shaded. 1 out of 5 parts, so it can be represented as 1 by 5, right or wrong? One part out of 5 parts it is shaded. Now check this, same way it is again 5 parts out of which 1, 2, 3 parts are shaded, right? So it can be represented as 3 by 5. This is 1 by 5 and this is 3 by 5. Now we should see the result, then only we can keep whether it is addition or subtraction. Okay, now let's see the result here. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts, but how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 out of 5. So result is 4 by 5. So you can see the denominators, they are all like fractions. So 1, 3 it is given, we should get answer 4. So what we need to write here, plus or minus? Yes, we need to write plus. So 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5 equal to 4 by 5. Clear everyone? Here 1 by 5, this is 3 by 5. So when you add, you get 4 by 5. Now second one, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. This circle is divided into 5 parts and all 5 parts are shaded. So it can be written as 5 by 5, or simply we can write 1. We can write it as 5 by 5 or 1. So let's write 5 by 5. Now see the second figure, this one, again same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts are total 5 parts, and how many parts are shaded? Yes, 2 parts. So 2 by 5, that is 2 out of 5 parts shaded. Now let's see the result. Again 5 parts total, out of which 1, 2, 3 parts are shaded. So you got 3 by 5. Result is 3 by 5. Now tell me, 5 by 5, what should be kept, plus or minus? Yes, because answer is 3, we have to keep minus here. So 5 minus 2 how much? 3. So 5 by 5 minus 2 by 5 equal to 3 by 5. Clear? Next, third one. Again rectangle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts, out of which 2 are shaded. So 2 by 6. Same way in this rectangle 1, 2, 3 are shaded. So 3 by 6. Now let's see the result. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are shaded out of 6. So this fraction is 5 by 6. Now see these two. 2 by 6. What should be kept in the middle? Plus or minus? Result is 5. So what we need to keep here? Yes, plus, because 2 plus 3 is 5. So 2 by 6 plus 3 by 6 equal to 5 by 6. So this way we need to simplify these problems. Is it clear everyone? Next, eighth one. Simplify. They have given bits, so let us simplify one by one. First one, 1 by 18 plus 1 by 18. Observe both denominators, they are same, so they are like fractions. When we are adding like fractions, what we need to do? Simply add the numerators by keeping the same denominator. So that means 1 plus 1 by 18. Add the numerators by keeping the same denominator. So what happens? 1 plus 1, 2 by 18. Now it can be simplified, right? 2 ones, 2 nines. So what is the answer? 1 by 9. Answer is 1 by 9. Now second one, 8 by 15 plus 3 by 15. Again observe the denominators, they are same, so like fractions. So add the numerators. 8 plus 3 by 15. That's nothing but 8 plus 3 is 11 by 15. This is the answer. So when we have like fractions, simply add the numerators. Then we get the answer. Next, third one. 7 by 7 minus 5 by 7. Again, they are like fractions, so keep the denominator as it is 7. So 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 how much? Yes, 2 by 7. 2 by 7. So this way we need to simplify. Next, fourth bit. 1 by 22 plus 21 by 22. Again, they are like fractions, so keep the common denominator, that is 22. So add the numerators, 1 plus 21. 1 plus 21 how much? Yes, 22 by 22. Now observe, numerator and denominator are same, so 22 ones, 22 ones. So it can be written as 1 simply. It is, answer is 1. Next, fifth one. 12 by 15 minus 7 by 15. Again, denominator is same, so keep the common denominator as it is. 12 minus 7. How much 12 minus 7 is? Yes, 5 by 15. 5 by 15. So 5 ones, 5 3 times. So you get answer is 1 by 3. And sixth one, 5 by 8 plus 3 by 8. Again, like fractions, 8 common. So 5 plus 3 by 8. So 5 plus 3 is 8 by 8. So 8 ones, 8 ones. So final answer is 1. So this way we need to simplify the like fractions. Next, seventh one. 1 minus 2 by 3. 1 minus 2 by 3. Now, you can observe here denominator is not there. So 1. So different denominator. So unlike fractions. So we need to make them as like fractions and simplify. What is LCM of 1 comma 3? LCM of 1 comma 3 is nothing but 1 into 3, that is 3 itself. Okay. Now we need to make them as like fractions. To get, we should get denominator 3 here. So what should be multiplied? Yes, we need to multiply with 3. So 1 by 1 into 3 by 3 minus, here already 3 is their denominator. So write as usual. So how can we write this as 3 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Now observe, the denominators are same. So keep the denominator, common denominator as it is and subtract the numerator. So 3 minus 2. So what is the answer? 1 by 3. So when they have given us like unlike fractions, we need to make them as like fractions and simplify. Now eighth one. 1 by 4 plus 0 by 4. Again they are like fractions. So keep the common denominator 4. 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. So 1 by 4 is the answer. Next, ninth one. 3 minus 12 by 5. Again, it's nothing but 3 by 1, right? So what is the LCM? 1 and 5 means? Yes, LCM will be 5. So 1 how many times? 1 how many times? 5? 5 times. So here 1 5 times, right? So the same number to be multiplied to numerator also. 3 5s 15. 3 5s 15. Same way 5 how many times? Once. So 1 into 12. So because denominators are same, we need not multiply. So 12. So 15 minus 12 how much? 3 by 5. Answer is 3 by 5. So this way we need to simplify. Okay, it is 15 by 5 minus 12 by 5. That's nothing but 15 minus 12 by 5. So answer is 3 by 5. This way we need to simplify these problems. Clear everyone? Next, ninth one. Fill in the missing fractions. We need to fill these boxes. First one, 7 by 10 minus, fraction is missing, answer is 3 by 10. Now see the denominators, common denominator. So here also denominator will be 10. Okay, common denominator. So what should be subtracted from 7 to get 3? What should be subtracted? Yes, 4. How do you get 7 minus 3? 4. So 7 minus 4 how much? 3. So 7 by 10 minus 4 by 10 equal to 3 by 10. So this is the blank. We have filled the fraction. Next, second one. First one empty, then 3 by minus 3 by 21 is equal to 5 by 21. So again common denominator 21. So here denominator will be 21. Now tell 3 should be subtracted from which number to get 5? What is the number? 5 plus 3 how much? 8. If you subtract 3 from 8 we get 5, right? So what is the answer? 8 by 21 is the answer. Okay. Next, third one. Here minus 3 by 3 is equal to given 3 by 6. Again we need to fill this fraction here. But here denominators are different. Here 6 is there, here 3. Okay. So how to simplify this now? So let us make equal denominator so that we can get this answer easily. So to get 6, here 6 is there, here 3. So to get 6 here, what should be multiplied? Yes, into 2. The same number to be multiplied with numerator also. This is missing here, fraction. So first let us write this. So what happens? This way is nothing but minus 3 to 6 by 6 is equal to 3 by 6. Now we have common denominator. So here also denominator we can have 6, common denominator. Now tell me which number, 6 should be subtracted from which number to get 3? From which number we should subtract 6 to get 3? How much? Here it should be, yes, 3 plus 6 how much? 9. So it should be 9 by 6. So 9 by 6 minus 6 by 6 is nothing but what? 3 by 6. So this way we need to simplify. So we should see to it that denominators are same, then it will be easy to find the values. Next, fourth one. First one is missing, plus 5 by 27 is equal to 12 by 27. Now tell me what should be added to 5 to get 12, because denominators are same. So here it will be 27 denominator. Now what should be added to 5 to get 12? Yes, 7. How do you get this? 12 minus 5, how much? 7. So what is the required fraction here? 7 by 27. So this way we need to simplify. So observe the denominators, then we can find the numerators. Clear everyone? Now you need to prepare the notes of this class. Okay, copy those problems and complete this homework. See, add the following fractions. Okay, these 3 bits you need to do. Same way, subtract the following, these 2. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you can clarify your doubts from your teachers. Thank you.